Using a buy stop order can be a game changer for you as a forex trader if you know how to use it appropriately. Very few forex traders know how to set a buy stop, and very many have never used buy stop orders in their trading. So in this video I want to show you why you need a buy stop order in your trade and how to place a buy stop order. Watch to the end so that you will understand exactly how it is done. So first, what is a buy stop order? So a buy stop order is simply an order type where you take a buy position at a price higher than the current market price. So like in this case, here is the current market price. Taking a buy stop means buying at a higher price, but that is strategic. There is a reason why someone will be thinking of buying at a higher price, and that is what I want to show you in this video. When you place a buy stop at a wrong position or at a wrong price level, then you're heading for a disaster. Okay, let's get back a little into history to see how it can work in your favor. So this was a resistance at this point. Okay, so it was a resistance when price was just below it. A buy stop order will warrant you to place a buy order at a price above that resistance. So with this as the resistance, you can set a buy order just above that resistance. If a price breaks a resistance, that resistance turns to a support, and price should not easily or readily go below it. And you can see what happened here. As the price broke above this very resistance, price never came down below it. So any buy order that is right at that point was triggered, and price begins to move up and never came below that point again. This was another level which was a resistance while price was below it. Okay, so a trader will now set buy stop order just above that very resistance, hoping that as price takes off that very resistance, the price continues and does not come below it. And you can see at that point the price took off this very resistance and then never came below it again. So anyone with a buy stop above that resistance, when it is triggered, price continues to move up in the favor of that person. So your buy stop is always placed above a critical resistance in an upward trend. So the secret is that you place your buy stop order above a critical resistance in an upward trend, such that once that critical resistance is broken in that upward trend, the buy stop order is triggered, and the possibility of price coming down below that resistance, which now turns support, is always rare. So the only downside is that sometimes there could be a liquidity sweep. Price could just go above to sweep liquidity and then start going down, and that is why I mentioned that it must be in an upward trend to use buy stop orders. You don't use buy stop orders in a downward trend, else you're going to lose lots of money. So let's say I want to set my buy stop order just right above this very resistance. Okay, so to set the buy stop order, I'll come to the new order button, click on it, then I'll come to this market execution and tap on it, then I'll select buy stop order. All right, so this is the buy stop order. Then I'll choose my lot size. Then I'll then choose my entry price. Let's say I want to enter at 1.445. All right. Then my stop loss will be below that resistance, which now turns support. All right. So let's say I'm placing a 50 pip stop loss, for instance. That would be 1.4395. All right. So when I place the order, so there you can see the order. This is my buy stop order. So that means that if the market is able to break above this very resistance, this buy order will be triggered, then price will move higher, and then as the price begins to move higher and give us some structures, we can adjust the stop loss to break even. So that is how you set your buy stop order on Metatrader 4 app. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and do watch this next video that has just popped up here.